Reliable lock, optimal choice. Hello everyone, welcome to Make. This is Charlie. How many processes does a secure and precise lock need to go through before it can finally be presented to the end user? Today, please come with me to witness the birth of a lock. A precise lock includes dozens of components. Most of them are molded by tooling. Make has a professional mold team and high-precision equipment, including 7 CNC machining centers, 3 mirror EDM machines, and professional 3 coordinate mold inspectors. Lock housing and cylinder, which are major parts of a lock, are produced by die casting. Automated operation ensure efficient and stable capacity, and improve the safety of the production process. The accuracy of the parts produced by multi-axis die casting machine could be 0.05 millimeters. Keys and discs are mainly produced by punching. Make can produce millions of keys each month. Production of high-precision locks is one of the advantages of Make. There are more than 30 CNC lathe machines to produce brass, steel, stainless steel locks. The accuracy could be 5 mil, which is equivalent to half of the hair. Since 2021, Make started to build automated CNC lathing production line. Till now, we have 100 robot hands in CNC lathing workshop, which increased the capacity and efficiency. Before assembly, a very important process is required, that is, surface treatment. This allows our locks not only to have high precision, but also to have an attractive appearance. Finally, we got all the parts we need for a lock. Assembly is the last step. Make has developed its own automated assembly line. Every machine can finish 1,000 pieces of locks every day. Each machine saves 6 labor costs. Make has built production lines especially for VIP clients and electronic smart locks. In the meanwhile, lean production has been proceeded in Make, which guarantee the product's quality and a shorter lead time. There are 6 sections in our central lab: material strength, environment, scene simulation, reliability, electronic capability, and waterproof. We can proceed 42 professional tests in-house, including waterproof tests from IPX1 to IPX8. Lifetime test, static test, UV test, salt spread test, and so on. Okay, this is the end of the tour. Thanks for watching. Security locks, optimal choice. See you next time. Bye bye.